is a tour of the lifts at Westfield Stratford, or Westfield Stratford City as it's known as by TfL, and now going along to outside Stratford Station where there are some glass Otis Gen 2 lifts.
I was going to say, why don't you just kick me in the shin as well, going for the double leg?
Now into the shopping centre, and most of the shops have moved around since Benny did his lift tour, so now along to the new-ish H&M, which has a really sparkling, horrible and slow generic lift. That's it. This lift is very glassy, but it's a generic. There used to be another H&M here where Primark now is, and this used to be Forever 21, I think. And then it all moved, Primark moved in, H&M moved here, and the lifts that are originally in Primark, H&M, sorry, with some shingles have they've been modernised into eco-discs, so these are just generics. I say these, it's just one bog standard generic lift. It's a shame really that you couldn't replace it with a shingle. I don't even know if they make it, but you can see me all over. Like, I'm there, I'm there, I'm there, I'm there. I'm everywhere. Right, that is it. This lift is slow. That's it. Bye. And now along to M&S, which just has some Otis Gen 2 lifts. These are the lifts at M&S at Westfield Stratford. These are Otis Gen 2s. And now, into an eco-disc lift in new look. Yeah, but next door's Uniqlo, which has a stunner. You would think it'd be the other way round. Oh well, this is an eco-disc in new look. This is the lift at new look in Westfield Stratford. Benno claims this is a Uniqlo, and you would expect it to be a Uniqlo. But Uniqlo has a lift you'd expect to be a Uniqlo. Well, that's pretty much it. Another mirror. I was going to do some more train videos, but kind of ran out of time already. Now next door to the stunner lift in Uniqlo. Don't get them mixed up.
Doors closing.
This is the lift at Uniqlo, which you'd expect to be in the shop next door, new look. But it's not. It's a
Lift going
stunner.
up.
It's a stunner, very creaky.
Level 1. Doors opening. Doors closing.
God, this lift is slow, but I managed to avoid the security guard. Hopefully I can avoid him on the way back.
Lift going down.
Another mirror, and there's just a box standard stunner, really. I
Level
expect this is
0.
new look, not Uniqlo. Oh well, that's it.
Doors opening.
And now, the floor numbering does get quite interesting, so visit Benno's video to have a look at the floor numbering. However, as for now, we go to some of the main lifts in the shopping centre, which are some Otis Gen 2 lifts.
Idzie na dół, jest strzałka na dół. Strzałka jest na dół, idzie na dół.
And now along to our kit, which had a really nice eco-disc lift. This was very scary because this is a shop I've never been into before. But this is our kit and it has an eco-disc lift. However, it's maintained by people. Oh well.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
It's an eco-disc lift. I've got my bag on the back, that's why in the couple of clips it's just a bit shaky. About a bit of height, so I've had to go up on my feet.
Doors opening.
And that's it.
Going up. Doors closing.
And now to a clothes shop called And Other Stories, which had a Schindler lift. This is the lift at And Other Stories. It's a nice Schindler lift. I hope it gets caught. Oh, floor 0. I might go down the S. I'm a bit nervous because I've almost got caught. Now along to next, we just had some Oakland glass lifts. However, Next is closed anyway, so you don't have to bother with that. So now along to Zara, which has an Arona lift, which has been modernised again to look like a new Arona. Lift going up. This is an Arona lift at Zara. Used to be an old Arona, but apparently it's been replaced. This is quite new news actually. Doors closing. Takes ages to start up though. Lift going down. That's it. And now to some more main sets of lifts, which are some Otis Gen 2 lifts. This is another Otis Gen 2 lift at Westfield, Stratford. I'm sweating quite a bit because it's hot for me in lifts. And also, I've been in a lot of shops I didn't know had lifts because I've been looking, because since Benno and City Planner and MCHLT, whatever his name is, have done these lift tours, all the shops have changed around. So, quite a new shops are there. Quite a lot of new shops do have good lifts. So yeah, and that's it. Some of these Otis Gen 2 indicators need a bit of fixing, I fancy. Because they're very messy. And that's it. And now along to Pull&Bear, which had another Arona lift. This is an Arona lift in Pull&Bear. I almost got caught in moss grass. It doesn't actually have a lift. I thought I might get caught in there, but I didn't, luckily. Scares me, this hobby. And it's not really a hobby.
What are you thinking about? No, I can go now. Oh, I'm going down.
No, I need to do it.
Okay, you go to the make sure you have a big lot of people.
Lift going down. Main floor. And now along to Bershka, which had a weird Stanner lift. Thank you.
Doors closing.
This is a Stanner lift. At Bershka, usually a very
Lift going up.
a weird Stanner. Has glass, but it's funny coloured.
Level 1. Doors opening.
This side.
Doors closing.
But you guys wondering where I am, I'm
Lift going
getting to
down.
lots and lots of shops. Yeah, this standard lift in Bershka.
Level 0. Doors opening.
And now on to some more Otis Gen 2 lifts, which are near the exit to Stratford International. Here are some more Otis Gen 2 lifts at Westfield, Stratford. Oh my god, this is tiring now. Actually. Oh, this one. I've noticed well, this lift is lovely and warm, cold, sorry, but I've noticed none of the voices seem to be working. Oh, an aeroplane Gen 2. Hopefully I'm just getting trained to Stratford, because this is going on for ages, actually. Oh, hello. Opens up there as well. No, at least the Otis can do it, open both doors at the same time, because generic lift companies and standard can't. Mine is it, I'm still wearing a bag. So, yeah. That's it. And now along to where H&M used to be. This is now Primark, which has some eco-disc lifts. This is a smelly eco-disc lift at Primark at Westfield, Stratford.
Floor -1. Going up.
It does have a mirror. I don't know if it's me that's smelly because I'm sweaty or if it's the lift. I think it's the lift because, I don't know, you know.
Ground.
And that's it. Yeah, that's it. And now we're on to John Lewis, which has some eco-disc lifts, where it all went wrong, as I got off the lift at the wrong floor and lost Dad. Luckily, I managed to find him with some help from members of staff, so thanks to them at the John Lewis at Stratford City. However, my head's been hurting from then all the way until now, because I'm editing this video pretty much as soon as I get back to my house. So, yeah, anyway, here are the eco-disc lifts. What is it, Westfield, Stratford.
Floor -1.
I think I was on one. I can't be sure. Yeah. Yeah, they're eco-discs. They're alright. Another mirror. Better than Gen 2's. And that's it. And now, because my head was really hurting at that time, I decided to skip a load of lifts. So go along to Benno's Eastfield playlist to have a look at those lifts. However, into TK Maxx, which has an Otis Gen 2 lift.
closing.
Horrible door motors and that horrible voice. But anyway, this is the last lift on this lift tour. I'm worn out, I still need to film trains. This is the lift at TK Maxx at Westfield, Stratford. Put that down to 0.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Yeah, so latest Gen 2, latest Gen 2. But the horrible voice! And that's it.